Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to cancel your Experian CreditWorks premium subscription. We will put a link in the description below. Also, we will put links for TransUnion credit monitoring. So once you click on the link, you will be directed to this page. To start, click on Sign In. Next, click on Sign into your account. Now, sign in with your username and password. Once you're signed in, click on the profile icon. On this page, you will see an option for membership details. Click on Membership Details. Now, scroll down and you will see an option for Manage Membership Plan. Click on Manage Membership Plan. On this page, scroll down again and you'll see an option for Downgrade Membership. Click on Downgrade Membership. A pop-up window will then appear and you'll see two options. Click on the option that says Downgrade to Free. Lastly, select the reason for changing the membership. After selecting, click on the button that says Downgrade to CreditWorks Basic. And that's how you cancel your Experian CreditWorks premium subscription. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.